G'day guys, it's Sam here from Built Not Bought, and today's video is just a little update, bit of information that I'm going to be at the Perth 4x4 and Adventure Show in November. I'm going to be on the stand with Ali Cab. The truck will be there on display. Of course, you can come and get a photo with me and just quick face like that, and I'll just cut there. Come and grab some merchandise, ask me questions, take photos, all that good stuff. So that is in November. The event is on Facebook somewhere, so you can go there and get tickets, or you can get tickets at the gate. What else? I had my friend Hamish, it was his 14th birthday, and his mum so kindly asked me to take him for a bit of a ride for his birthday present, so it was pretty exciting meeting him. He had a great time, so it was good to meet you, Hamish. Also, there is a Q&A I'm doing coming up soon, so if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them in the next Q&A coming up. Merchandise. You can see I'm wearing a different shirt, so these will be dropping. Actually, I dropped them yesterday, along with this hat. So you get the new grey shirt and a new hat. I've also got different stickers coming out, as well as all the old stuff. We've still got the singlets coming into summer, you want to grab one of them. We've also got the normal stickers, the banners, and the black t-shirts as well. So head over there, and actually Patreon. I haven't mentioned Patreon for a while. If you're new to this channel, there is a Patreon page which you can subscribe to, which gives you behind the scenes access, early access to videos, special requests from you guys for videos. I'll go and make them for you, and any answers questions will be in there as well. You'll also get a bit of a gift pack as you sign up to different tiers, either it's a stubby or a shirt. There's actually a special shirt that you cannot buy on my website, but you can get them through Patreon. And obviously the co-pilot tier, you get to come forward driving with myself and appear on a future episode as well, so that's pretty exciting. Want to jump over there, there'll be a link in the description below for that. Alright, so that's about this wrap up for the moment. I'm down at Ledge Point now, spending the night camping with Anna, the dearest.
Who are you not going to put on there? Could just be like with the misses.
Watch me. Alright, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace!